Hi guys, in this video I show you why you should not never throw away your empty toilet paper rolls again. Instead of the throwing away your empty toilet paper rolls, you can use them for a completely different purpose. If you have a lot of cables, and they are all all just completely jumbled up and rooted together, you can use the empty toilet paper rolls for that reason. How exactly, I would like to show you now. You take your cable, like this is the cable, and wind it up a little bit, like what you do with your hand. Wind up, like, hold on, let me put it a little bit, like this. Wind up with your hand. Yeah, wind it up like this. Alright, hold on. And what you're gonna do, try to bring two thick side exactly under, like together like this, and just bend it like this. And then put through the toilet paper roll inside of this roll like that. Just push it little, push it, and push it side. Exactly like this. As you see, this is nicely and organized, and it's not gonna tackle each other or wind each other. All right, let's try the another one. This is the cable. We can put it again. I just did, but I would like to show this too. What you do, just by hand, little bit, leave it like 5-inch, 6-inch longer, and go ahead, wind it up like this. Okay, wind it up. Wind it up. Wind it up. Yes, this is, look, this part, it comes underneath this with this is better. Just push together. Look, this is underneath, as you see, and push together cable, and here you are. Then slowly and put it inside, like this. Exactly. Like, wonderful. See, as you see, and paper roll to make sure that cable is now wonderfully inside. Look, can no longer fly apart and always stay in same place, as you see. Look, and I have another cable that I would like to show. This is the computer and camera cable, but I had another toilet paper roll here. Here, one more I have. What you do again, same thing, just hold the one part right here, and then just wind it up like 6-inch, better, or 7-inch, just whatever you like to have it. Okay, just see, this comes here exactly, see, together. This side you have to use it. This side is a way to put inside the toilet paper roll. So just hold it from here, then put inside, and here you are. The thicker side together, it should be one side like this, and the other one's like exactly like this. As you see, it's now wonderfully inside. Cable is now wonderfully inside. Can no longer fly apart and always stay in same place. Now you can do that with all the cables from your home, and then you can put them in the box, and some kind of box that whatever you have, and now you will never have a tangle of cables in your house again, because all the cables are packed really nicely here individually and also always stay in place. So you should never throw away your empty toilet paper rolls again, but use them for this purpose as I showed you. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Thank you. Like, wonderful, right? This is the nice way. Alright guys, bye.